Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey will show you how to make an Oreo cheesecake. It's the ultimate dessert for Oreo lovers. The ingredients for the Oreo cheesecake. Preparatory step: grease and line a large 8-inch loose-bottomed or spring-form baking tin with grease-proof or parchment paper. The method: so sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water. Set aside for 1 to 2 minutes. Then microwave for 30 seconds. Remove from the microwave, stir and set aside to cool. Then add the crushed Oreo biscuits and melted butter to a mixing bowl and mix well. Then evenly press the biscuit mix into the bottom of the prepared baking tin. Then refrigerate to allow the biscuit layer to set. Now whisk the double cream in the large mixing bowl. Add in half the amount of sugar and whisk until stiff. Then set aside for later use in this recipe. Now take another large mixing bowl and add in the cream cheese and caster sugar and whisk until smooth. Next, add in the dissolved gelatin, the vanilla extract and the lemon zest, and continue to whisk. Then fold in the whipped cream that we had prepared and set aside. And spoon the cheesecake mixture over the biscuit base and level the top. Now layer the Oreo biscuits over the cheesecake mixture. And then spoon a second layer of the cheesecake mixture and level the top. Then refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the cheesecake to chill. Then mark out 6 sections over the top of the cheesecake and layer with sprinkles and pipe cream rosettes all around the edges. Finish off by placing half an Oreo biscuit in between the pipe rosettes. And sprinkle Oreo biscuits powder all over the top. Refrigerate overnight to set, and once set, remove the cheesecake from the tin and cut into portions. Then transfer onto a serving plate. And as mentioned earlier, here is the ultimate dessert for Oreo lovers. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.